Hello, and the episode will Leetcode 49 Group Anagrams. Basically your mama and words be in a list of words. Say words be a anagrams be a grouping it together. Right? Example, for example. Right, example where empty. A group with just one empty near the show. Second example also say my A from A is A, right? And also a one painting and also quantity groupie. I feel the empha more bigger example now, more complex. Now, mama AET, my TEA, my tan, my ATE, and my NAT, and my bat. Wow, almost Kenyanko. And so I want to say now, anagram, and say anagram before I look at 2 words anagram no. I just say words no way money now, right? You can say AET and TEA, right? A will move back home. E will move back home and a T will move back home. The same things in our T will move back home, I say, E will move back home, I say, and a A's will move back home. Into first of all, length is the same, and the number of occurrence of each character is also the same. But into clearly, you will say like E ni E was say, T ni T was say, and a ni A was say, right? Into your far word be it means that Nina a pepe, right? Just that words no order of the words no and a different. It think I sorting in any way say AET, right? Near ye way so your sign sorty way so near AE. And then I clear say anagram into your right? Into the other say your far word be a create something like a dictionary. Your far word be not your sort is our word no. Into your far near an A your sorting no alphabetical AET, right? Like I say AET I sorting me. So word AET I sorting me. You create a list into the AET too. Right, if I TEA no o order na be AET. Indeed, you sorting on the AET was here near the TEA and so account. Right. Now for the tan. Tan be A N T. Right, into the ANT so account. Actually, be a tan. A tan into the TAN ever to right. Yes, who ATE. ATE, yes, sort of AET. This is we are into the AET so we can say. N80 no so yes sort here. And one never has anything. And why N80 yeah they count. Last one here bat. Bat there. Okay, last one here bat. Bat no ABT. Right. ABT. Into bat. Into who is here? This year asa. Into a bat, tan, nut, and a 8T8. Right. Into no. This is how I be no. Into see they all see here and say you be create a dictionary as our resource. Right. Into we say no. We key and a way of value. We find a way of value. Into a dictionary that has a key and a list. The key is a sorted element. Keys never a sorted element. Basically, that's their approach. But because he is sorting and a sort to be a n log n, right? The advance k at the length of the way 90 k times n log n, right? That will be your friend saying time complexity and a space knows be like n times k. solve what sad near be into yanko solve on your trade away a bit, right? See, first, we can say we create a dictionary that has key and list as value, and only a bit to make creating a friendly default dict into default dictionary that has a key of list, right? Into CC and for each word in strings, right? Sorted word is equal to sorted. Actually, I see it joining now. Dot join sorted word. Okay. In CC dots and comma dots, right? Into the sorting as I joining it together. I see. We never man end log n, right? Into if sorted word a dictionary anymore, right? Now if it is sorted and they are sorted res sorted word dot append word. Okay. Else you will create sorted word. You will create res sorted word dot append word. Here we are. It will return it just the values of the dictionary. Into the will return it res dot values. Okay. So C, and now the best of it, group anagrams. And she said, yep. So C, and now the best of it, group anagrams, right? Very simple approach, but it's a what a dictionaries I say and how they work, the key value pairs in dictionary and how they work. All right, into like I say, like, share, and subscribe. All right.